granddaughter who's 4 years old. They all stick to Jayden, baby, because Jayden is small like them. Because Jayden is small. So they all cling to Jayden. So I called to Jayden from my room and I said, Jayden, you just have to be careful when playing with the babies.
I know, so you step on the next tape. You open the next tape and ball out your children.
That's when I was in my room getting the baby ready. Okay. You never call to Jayden. Alright, so when you find out the incident happened, me as a mother, yeah, and something happened.
And that is the thing in mathematics, that a lot of people are projecting what they would do in that situation.
Yes, and that's also me. I'm gonna tell you when me would have.
Right, and that's okay.
That's you. That's not me.
Doesn't make no sense telling us what you would do, because that is just probably going to try. You're trying to say that what we're saying is incorrect. We're here for you to ask us a question, and not for you to ask us the question. We already explained what we did. Again, at no point.
Yeah, that go with the question.
So maybe you literally only know about your side of the family. Jayden side of the family reach out to us since the incident.
Mommy would have to answer because I know the mother come around.
Okay.
The first.
Okay. So I am here. So as you all guys, you hearing me?
Yeah, mommy, I'm hearing you.
Yes, ma'am. As you guys all know, I took in Jayden when he was 5 years old. Jayden was basically, and I'm gonna say this, Jayden was basically.
We're trying to stay up because we don't want to speak ill of the mother. We're trying not to speak ill of the mother, and we're trying to kind of control that. So we'll kind of say it in our way, but we don't want to speak bad of the mother. All right?
No, because I still communicate with the mother. Persons, I have a sister that died 11 years ago.
Psychology right there.
Yes?
She's using psychology right there, but we don't want to speak ill of the mother.
So right there.
They hate her like poison.
She said she still talk to the mother. Alright, if only have him on the platform, you are going to see if they ever say it to him one day.
Yeah, I this girl, she's a nurse. She studies psychology.
But people are sampled.
Yeah.
And she said no, because of her sickness, she's not going to take up another responsibility because she have 2 kids. Because Kamisha is the one of them. So to let you know how the bond we have in my family, Kamisha and one of my sons are 10 days apart. So me and my sister was pregnant at the same time. I breastfeed Kamisha. So when it comes to Jayden, when I took Jayden, and somebody asked me to take Jayden because Jayden was not getting any care, Jayden was not going to school, I kind of wrap it around my head until one day some taxi.
Whenever you get Jayden, you know, then you are talk. No, you get to pick me. You show how nice you be, whenever you get to pick me.
I look into it and I said, I have 5 kids for myself. And none of my kids ever the unknown. Jayden is my twin brother's son. And I decided to take Jayden. On that week, when we took Jayden, I went to the basic school that Jayden was going. When I went there, the principal said to me, Mrs. Thompson, out of the term, Jayden come to school 3 days for the whole term. And I said, no man, but it's not look good. When I went there and I made the arrangement that I'm going to have Jayden make sure he goes to school, she said to me, Jayden is coming to the school. Jayden is not fully registered at the school because he does not have a birth certificate. He is not immunized. I said to her, okay, I'm going to get those things done. All right. When I left the school the day, I went to the bank in Mandeville. While I was in the line in the bank, could you tell me who called me? It was CDA that calls me from the school and say that they are there to take Jayden. And the principal have to beg the lady and said, no, Mrs. Thompson is here. And she said that she's going to take Jayden and send Jayden to school. She said, okay, I'll keep in touch and follow up with that. I have Jayden all those years. If I could show you pictures. Yeah, go ahead.
One question. No one question of a
Okay, Mato.
In Mandeville.
So from the get-go, the principal was there.
Just want to remember, but just want to actually 1 second forever before we begin. You have a cousin in Mandeville that contacted you.
Yeah, because from the get-go, he was there from she got the child.
Yes.
The principal was involved.
And the conversation was like about asking how you doing. Did he, no, okay, let I just give you an excuse. Did he send you a message today on Messenger? A message text?
A cousin message and said that they're unalive and she's going to call me, and I was like, I really don't want to hear what's going on.
Not she, he.
No, he, yeah. So I said, I really don't want to hear because it's the same thing. So I dismissed the conversation. So he did reach out and said that he was unalive. He's going to call me. I was like, don't call me because I don't want to hear.
Okay, so a male did today.
How that the woman hear this information, yeah? How is that woman hear this information, yeah? The woman actually say if you have a male cousin, they call him today by messenger and ask him. The girl actually, if she had a male cousin, call her on messenger today. And Shanique has scuff around, and then Shanique said yes. Talking, the girls tell the girl say the guy tell him say he was unalive, and the girl say she no want to hear none because that are the same old. Go back over.
Wow.
But Motto, we speak. Do me a beg you take Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you hear the part when the aunt said she called principal and the principal, with the CDA thing?
Yes,
the
ma'am.
principal was the one who, the principal was the one who begged.
All along, so you see, here. So that's to show you how long she moved with the principal. You understand that?
Towards Jayden. Yes.
Jayden asleep bar side, he must sleep on old fridge or whatever. I look into it and I said I have 5 kids for myself. And none of my kids ever did on the road. Jayden is my twin brother's son.
You're going to hear about the vice note, and that's why I pull it back.
And I decided to take Jayden.
Okay.
Because I said determined.
When we took Jayden, I went to the basic school that Jayden was going. When I went there, the principal said to me, Mrs. Thompson, out of the term, Jayden come to school 3 days for the whole term. And I said, no man, but it's gonna look good. When I went there and I made the arrangement that I'm gonna have Jayden make sure he goes to school, she said to me, Jayden is coming to the school. Jayden is not fully registered at the school because he does not have a birth certificate. He's not immunized. I said to her, okay, I'm gonna get those things done. Alright. When I left the school the day, I went to the bank in Mandeville. While I was in the line in the bank, could you tell me who called me? It was CDA that calls me from the school and say that they are there to take Jayden. And the principal
better if you know the next CDA take Jayden. Your daughter will end up get Jayden to unalive.
She said, okay, I'll keep in touch and follow up with that.
Listen this now, sister. How the caller go come in now?
I could show you pictures. Yeah, go ahead.
One question. No one a question for Shanique. And you may talk to Shanique first. Do you have a cousin in Mandeville that contact you on Facebook and Messenger? Just want to remember, but just want to ask Shanique 1 second forever before me forget. You have a cousin in Mandeville that contact you up to today and yesterday on Facebook or Messenger?
Is it male or female?
Male.
Yes.
Male.
I'm gonna say yes.
I want to say yes. Yes.
The conversation was about asking how you doing. Did he, no, okay, let I just give you an excuse. Did he send you a message today on Messenger? A message text?
A cousin message and said that they're unalive and she's going to call me, and I was like, I really don't want to hear what's going on.
Not she, he.
You see how she a cover up?
Yes. Yes.
She said she, and the girl said no, not she, he.
Him.
I told you this girl is using psychology.
Yes, I tell you.
So that means you see, the guy call her and tell her, say,
out of the term, Jayden come to school.
Really and truly now, again, I was talking about in terms of the investigation, like it's not going in the way it's supposed to go because
right there, so.
Personally, I do not
yes,
believe.
you know, you're the girl. Ask her if somebody call her and tell her about him unalive.
Listen.
Male.
Yes.
Male.
I'm gonna say yes. yes.
I'm gonna say yes. I know you no one. Look here. Why you think she answered that way? I know you no one. Nobody fi know about that, you know.
Yes.
Think about
Yes,
that, sister.
was a secret. They close
She
border
don't
right
want
this up.
nobody. I'm gonna say yeah. She don't want the girl asking say you have a customer contact you. Alright. I'm gonna show you say listening is good for you can listening and smart. When she answer the girl, you know, she want make you look like I say she want to make you look like I say I want girl. Call her.
I want girl.
And the girl make she know say no. I'm gonna make you hear it. Let me take up somebody else. I go and make you hear.
They close border right there so.
Ask you how you doing. Okay. Let I just give you an excuse. Did he send you a message today on Messenger? A message text?
I called the message and said that they're on a live, and she got to call me, and I was like, you know, I really don't want to hear what's going on.
Not she.
No, he.
Ah,
So I
Jesus.
said, I really don't want to hear because it's the same thing. So I dismissed the conversation. So
Hey.
he did reach out and said that he was on a live. So I called and I was like, don't call because I don't want to hear. Said to me, Jayden is coming to the school and say that they are there to take Jayden.
I'm going to make you
And
hear.
the principal have to beg the lady and said, no, Mrs. Thompson is here. And she said that she's going to take Jayden and send Jayden to school. She said, okay, I'll keep in touch and follow up with that. I have Jayden all those years. So I could
One more time, listen to this.
Yeah, go ahead.
One question. No one a question for Shanique. You may talk to Shanique first. Do you have a cousin in Mandeville that contact you on Facebook and Messenger? That's why I remember, but that's why actually 1 second forever before me forget. You have a cousin in Mandeville that contact you up to today and yesterday on Facebook or Messenger?
Is it male or female?
Male.
She know who already, you know. She know who already when time she asked the lady if a male or female, you know.
Yes. Yeah, we tell you she use pure science.
She know who already when the girl asked him, I just yes him to say she asked the girl if a male or female. When she know say I want male and she want to look like I say I want female. My girl, gosh, girl.
Yes, me. I'm gonna say yes.
And the conversation was like about asking how you doing. Did he okay, let I just give you an excuse. Did he send you a message today on Messenger? A message text?
I called the message and said that they're on a live, and she got to call me, and I was like, you know, I really don't want to hear what's going on.
Not she.
No, he. Yeah. So I said, I really don't want to hear because it's the same thing. So I dismissed the conversation. So somebody did reach out and said that he was on a live.
That's what having is very vital.
Okay, so a male did today.
Yes.
Why you don't want the person call him on Messenger? No, say the person don't call him straight call. And then don't call him on WhatsApp. He call him on Messenger because Messenger hardly used. And she don't want to talk about it. She don't want to talk about it. Don't want to talk about it. I want to look here. We not a straight call, you know. She don't want to talk. I know straight call that cousin call him on. And he don't call him on WhatsApp. A Messenger. Something is wrong. And she no glad for know say this a girl and know about the conversation there. She no glad for know. I go and look here, lady. I go and play it until you get it. I want you get the sense hour. When the lady say, Shanique, do you have a cousin that call you on Facebook today or Messenger? Shanique, a baba and wave. Shanique, and the lady repeat it again and she said, oh, yes. And the lady said, attack again. And Shanique, attack like I want girl attack to her. And the lady carry car.